Namaham Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nivishesha Sunyavadi Prascharjati Satarine. All glories Srila Prabhupada. And greetings to all you lovely devotees in Pakistan. I had the fortune to meet Nityalila Devidasi online during the pandemic. We got to read the Shastras and discuss with an international group. Absolutely wonderful. And she asked me to say something for your opening of your temple there in Pakistan. It's a great fortune to see the movement that Srila Prabhupada expanded all over the world and seeded all over the world after he left Vrindavan in 1965. And in my own experience, meeting devotees in London, England in 1968 when I was a very young person, it now is wonderful to witness the expansion of Krishna consciousness on all the limbs of the tree, of the Gaudiya Vaishnava tree. But special veneration to A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, who went through such austerities, in particular, as you know, to bring Krishna consciousness to the West. And the explosion of Krishna consciousness, kind of quietly but somewhat consistently throughout the decades, is a very humbling and a very marvelous thing to behold. My own experience is to see so many of the seeds take hold and so many more people come to benefit from this great gift of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And as Sankirtan devotees in this mission, there was once a saying that the golden age of Sri Chaitanya will unfold, but you can take some of the credit by being engaged in the process of doing it. And that was my own life experience from being very young and very involved, traveling on the road for years, distributing Srila Prabhupada's books in America and Canada and India, North India, and in particular speaking to people in India in the the late 1970s, and encouraging them in their heritage of Krishna consciousness, and not get tangled up in coming to the West with all its materialism. Now it's quite something for me to see people that did come to the West, did really get involved in materialism, but are now ostensibly maintaining a lot of our ISKCON temples as people from India, devotees now, taking up their Krishna consciousness. So the way that this mission unfolds is quite extraordinary. And I see video clips of all of you in Pakistan, you ladies, and your association together seems lovely. Your attention to the children is wonderful, and I wish you all the best in your happy times in Krishna consciousness and spreading the mission of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. My humble obeisances to you. Hare Hare Krishna.